In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use BambooHR software. We'll start by signing in. Open your company's BambooHR link, usually your company.bamboohr.com, then log in with your work credentials. After a moment, you'll land on the home dashboard, which is the hub for announcements and to-dos. On the left menu, you'll find the key areas of the system: home, people, hiring, reports, time off, documents, performance, payroll, if your organization uses it, and settings. Take a minute to click into each so you know where things live. What you see may vary based on your access. To view or add an employee, head to People. Select an existing profile or choose Add Employee if you have permission. Each profile holds personal details, job and compensation information, benefits, documents, training, emergency contacts, time off, and employment history. Keeping these fields up to date ensures accurate reporting and smooth processes across the system. For onboarding, open an employee's profile and select Onboarding. Create the checklist you need, such as e-signing documents, uploading identification, reading policies, or attending orientation, and assign each task to the right manager or employee so ownership is clear. Time off is straightforward. Go to Time off to see pending requests, approve or decline them, and let BambooHR automatically update balances. If you're an admin, configure accruals, holidays, and policies under Settings, then Time off so approvals follow your company rules. Documents centralizes files your team needs. Upload policies, contracts, and company forms. And under Settings, Templates, Forms, build e-sign templates you can send to employees for quick, trackable signatures. If you're hiring, open Hiring and add a job opening. Enter the details, publish the posting, review applicants, and move candidates through your stages. You can email candidates, schedule interviews, and send electronic offer letters directly from the system. Performance, when enabled, lets you create goals, assessments, and peer reviews, then track progress and feedback. Both employees and managers can update goals to keep reviews current. If time tracking is enabled, employees clock in and out on the web or mobile app. Managers approve timesheets, and approved hours sync with payroll. To process payroll, open payroll, pick the pay period, review hours, earnings, and deductions, approve, and run. You can download payroll reports for your records. For analytics, select reports, choose from built-in options like headcount, turnover, salary, PTO usage, demographics, or job openings, and export to PDF, Excel, or CSV. Finally, check your inbox daily for time off requests, signature tasks, onboarding items, approvals, and notifications. Admins can tailor access, policies, workflows, custom fields, permissions, and integrations via the BambooHR marketplace in Settings to match your organization.